I've spent countless hours testing ceiling fans to find the perfect ones for you so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I get it, choosing the right fan can be overwhelming. That's why I'm here to share my honest experiences with the top 5 ceiling fans on the market today. Let's dive in. Product number 1, Amico ceiling fan with lights. When I first unboxed the Amico ceiling fan with lights, I was immediately impressed by its sleek, modern design that would fit perfectly in various spaces, from a cozy bedroom to a lively dining room. The 42-inch size is just right for smaller rooms, and the low-profile flush mount is a game changer for low ceilings. I couldn't wait to see how well it performed. Installation was straightforward thanks to the detailed instructions and video provided. I had it up and running in no time. Once it was installed, I was thrilled to discover the remote control that came with it. The ability to adjust the fan speed across 6 levels and choose from 3 color temperatures, 3000K, 4000K, and 6000K at the touch of a button was fantastic. I could set it to be warm and cozy for movie nights or bright and energetic for game nights with the family. Plus, the dimmable function allowed me to customize the lighting intensity from 10% to 100%, which was perfect for every occasion. The real magic, however, was the almost silent operation. At just 35 dB, it was quieter than the sound of falling leaves. This made it ideal for light sleepers like myself, ensuring a peaceful night's rest for my family. The reversible DC motor also impressed me. It not only provided a cool breeze during the sweltering summer months, but also improved air circulation during winter. I found myself using the heating system less frequently, which translated into lower energy bills. The pros include its energy efficiency, quiet operation, and customizable features. However, I did find the remote control a bit small and easy to misplace. So why should you buy the Amico ceiling fan? If you want a versatile, stylish, and efficient fan that adapts to your home's needs, this fan is a solid investment. Plus, with a 24-month warranty and dedicated customer support, you can purchase with confidence. Product number 2, Pasky ceiling fan with lights. The first thing that struck me about the Pasky ceiling fan was its sleek black design, which instantly elevated the aesthetic of my living space. I was particularly drawn to its 52-inch size, making it grand enough to be a statement piece while still being functional. Installation was a breeze thanks to the clear instructions and helpful installation videos. I had it mounted in less than an hour, and I was eager to see how it performed. The remote control was a highlight for me, as it allowed me to control everything from the fan speed to the light settings from anywhere in the room. With 6 fan speeds and 3 color temperature settings, 3000K, 4500K, and 6000K, I was able to create the perfect atmosphere for every occasion, whether I was hosting friends or enjoying a quiet night in. The light was also dimmable, which gave me the flexibility to adjust brightness based on the activity, dimming for a cozy dinner or brightening for a lively board game night. One of the standout features for me was the noise level. The fan operates at a whisper quiet 35 decibels, making it perfect for use in bedrooms or nurseries. My toddler, who is a notoriously light sleeper, had no issues with it running while he napped. The reversible motor was another feature I loved, allowing me to switch the airflow direction for both summer cooling and winter warmth. The fact that it's energy efficient means I can enjoy the comfort without worrying about skyrocketing energy bills. Pros include its stylish design, quiet operation, and user-friendly remote control. However, I would recommend ensuring that your space can accommodate its size, as it may be too large for very small rooms. If you're looking for a fan that combines style, functionality, and efficiency, the Pasky ceiling fan is a fantastic choice. It has truly transformed my living room. Product number 3, Zimishabu 52-inch ceiling fan with light. When I came across the Zimishabu ceiling fan, I was captivated by its modern design and practical features. The 52-inch blades make it suitable for larger spaces, and I loved how it seamlessly integrated into my contemporary living room. The installation process was straightforward, but I appreciated that they offered a video to guide me. Once up, I was eager to test out the app and remote control features. Allowing me to control the fan from my smartphone was a game changer. The app enabled me to adjust everything from the fan speed to the light dimming settings, making it incredibly user-friendly. The fan also boasts a 20-watt LED light that can be adjusted from 10% to 100% brightness, a feature I found particularly useful for different occasions. In terms of performance, the quiet operation was a highlight for me. The fan's powerful DC motor provided strong airflow without the distracting noise of traditional fans. I could enjoy a cool breeze while watching TV or having a conversation without any interruptions. The reversible motor was another major plus during winter. I could flip the airflow direction to circulate warm air from the ceiling, making my space more comfortable year-round. The energy efficiency of this fan is commendable as well, helping keep electricity costs down. Pros include its sleek design, quiet operation, and smart technology. However, the only downside I found was that the app setup could be a bit finicky at times. Why buy the Zanishibu ceiling fan? If you're looking for a blend of style, technology, and performance, this fan is an excellent investment. It has definitely enhanced my living experience. Product number 4, AQBT Modern Low-Profile Ceiling Fan. When I first laid my eyes on the AQBT Modern Low-Profile Ceiling Fan, I was taken by its sleek design that screams modern elegance. This 20-inch fan is designed for smaller spaces, and I was excited to see how well it would perform in my home office. The low-profile design meant it didn't take up much space, which was a huge plus for me. Installation was easy and straightforward, making it a perfect DIY project. What I loved most was the dual control feature. Using both the remote and app was incredibly convenient. The 2.4G RF remote allowed for 360-degree control without needing to point directly at the fan, which was a game changer. I could adjust the fan speed and lighting from anywhere in the room, even from my couch. The fan offered 6 speeds, and the whisper quiet operation under 35 decibels was ideal for my workspace. It felt like a gentle breeze rather than a whirring noise. The stepless dimming and color temperature adjustment were fantastic features. I could easily switch from warm to daylight colors depending on the time of day or activity. The memory function retained my last settings, making it hassle-free to operate. Additionally, the reversible DC motor was a standout feature. I could switch to downdraft mode in the summer for a refreshing breeze and updraft mode in winter for circulating warm air, making it a year-round comfort solution. Pros include its stylish design, quiet operation, and smart controls, while the only con I found was that its size might not be suitable for larger rooms. If you're looking for a compact, efficient fan that doesn't compromise on style or functionality, the AQBT Modern Low-Profile Ceiling Fan is a top-notch choice. Product number 5, Zhaoqilai Low-Profile Ceiling Fan with Light. The Zhaoqilai low-profile ceiling fan caught my attention with its stylish retro design and practical features. At 42 inches, it fits perfectly in my smaller living spaces while adding a touch of elegance. The installation was straightforward. I appreciated the detailed manuals and videos that guided me through the process. As I turned it on for the first time, I was thrilled to see how easily I could control it using the remote. The fan offers 6 speed settings, allowing me to find the perfect breeze for any occasion. The light is customizable with 3 color temperatures, 3000K for cozy evenings, 4500K for reading, and 6500K for bright, energizing light during family dinners. The fact that the light and fan can be operated separately was a huge plus. One of the standout features for me was the reversible DC motor. During the summer months, it provided a cool, refreshing breeze, while in winter it helped circulate warm air, making my home feel cozy without cranking up the heater. The quiet operation was also impressive. I could hardly hear it running, making it ideal for bedrooms or study areas. Pros include its stylish design, versatile functionality, and quiet performance. However, the only downside is that the remote control does not come with batteries, so be prepared to grab some AAA batteries before installation. So why should you consider the Zhaoqilai low-profile ceiling fan?
If you want a stylish and efficient ceiling fan that enhances your living space while providing year-round comfort, this fan is a fantastic choice.
After testing these 5 fantastic ceiling fans, I can confidently say that each one brings something unique to the table. Whether you're looking for efficiency, style, or advanced technology, there's a fan here that will meet your needs. Make your home comfortable and stylish with one of these top picks.